Welcome to the final part of the tutorial on how to solder. The last thing you'll need to do is place the wires in correctly and tin them in accordingly. What you need to do is make sure that you twist the wires together to neaten them so both are not sticking out of the board. Once they've been twisted, twist the end part of it in order for it to be tinned. Place the wires inside the board in the correct position. And apply solder to it as you would a normal component. As you can see, the first wire is done. And there's the second wire. Use the clippers to clip them as you would do normally. And as you can see that the wires are soldered in right nicely.